Welcome to my YouTube channel. So now I'm about to tell you side that pays you massive money just mining Bitcoin. That's some of you they don't believe that mining Bitcoin is real. Wow, and I'll prove it for you that it's real today. Because if you mine a Bitcoin, you're gonna earn massive money just mining Bitcoin only. So when you mine Bitcoin, you're gonna earn minimum dollars in a day of $10 in a day just mining Bitcoin. So let's go to the app. You click here. So this app pays you just mining Bitcoin and referring people. So the more you refer, the more your mining speed is gonna increase. So let's wait for the app to load. So the app have load. So this is the app. Can you see how Bitcoin and USDT are moving, going down, everything? Can you see how it's moving? You can also use this app for trading. So you can also use this for trading to earn more money. So I know some of you have watched a lot of video about trading. So you can go to my second YouTube channel. So you guys wait. I'll keep uploading how to trade on this YouTube channel, so you guys can learn how to trade on this YouTube channel. So I trade a lot. So this you can also use this site to trade too, but I prefer you using your laptop to trade so that you can see, you can look at the graph very well, how the chart move up and down. So what we're talking about is mining Bitcoin. So you click here, you have to register your account. If you click on this place here, so mining Bitcoin, just click here. So when you click here, so this time here is counting every 4 minutes, every 4 hours, every 4 hours. So this thing will stop here. If it have run this place here until it's full, every 4 hours it will full. So in a day, depending on how you can click. So after 4 hours it's full here, you have to what, they will have to add your money for you here. So in a day you can make up to $1 in a day. Yes, you can make up to $1, and the minimum payout is 10 USDT to your USDT account. So if you come to this place here, refer a friend and earn 15%. So the more you refer, the more you earn. The more you earn to your USDT account. Can you see? So if you're in standard account, you'll be earning the USDT you'll be earning in a week is 2.15 USDT in a week. You'll be earning. So daily is 3.31 USDT. So 30 days you'll be earning $9 USDT. So you'll be earning 9 USDT in 30 days. So if you can upgrade to gold account, wow. If you want to upgrade to gold account, you have to deposit the amount of $150 if you want to upgrade to gold account. So this is the gold account. Can you see? It's require you must trade to 150. So if you are mining, you'll be mining up to this amount here, 4 in a week daily, while 30 days you'll be earning $18 in 30 days. So if you want to upgrade again, you have to deposit this amount. So you'll be earning this price. So the more you deposit, if you want to upgrade to the last one, VIP3, so if you want to upgrade to VIP3, can you see it? You have to deposit this amount of money, and in a week you'll be mining 2000 USDT. Wow, 2000 USDT is a great money. So daily income is 300 USDT, 30 USDT. Wow, just imagine 30 days you're earning 900 USDT. Wow, you're earning 900,000 USDT. Wow, 900,000. So great. Can you see this money will be earning just mining this Bitcoin? So in this video, I'm going to pin this app in the comment section. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share these videos for more. Guys, see that my Bitcoin is mining. So if you mine it and stop here, it's there. So please do not forget to subscribe, like, and if you want to exchange cryptos, you come here, you can exchange your crypto in this side here. If you have any, if you have if you have Dogecoin, so you can exchange your Dogecoin in this place also. So you can exchange it to USDT, anyone you feel like exchanging it to. You can change it to anything you feel like exchanging it to. So please guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share these videos. So we'll go to our wallet. You can see I have 0.0 balance here. So if you should deposit $150 you are going to upgrade to the next account. So you can deposit $150 and remove your money again. So you just wait again till 18. So by next week I'll be depositing $150 to my account. So I will earning a lot of massive money in this. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Any information, comment in the comment section. So before I forget, so you come to this side, you have to watch videos. So if you watch videos, you are gonna get more stars, more achievements, you claim more this thing. So the more you claim is the more your earnings is gonna get more speed and more time, because the time usually end when the time finish. Your time is just how many times in a week? 4 hours for 4 hours. So in a day you be making $1. Yeah, I'm doing it for 4 hours, for 4 hours, making $1, achieving $1 in a day. So if you want to be able, if you have this your achievement, this achievement will even help you more to boost your earnings. So you to earn this star they are asking for, those 200 star, you must watch all these videos about trading on how to trade. I know some of you love trading. So video wallet management. So if you click on this one videos, see how to deposit with, so you can watch it. But let's go back again. So that's all about the app. So and again, if you want to know more about this app, you can also join on the Telegram, so and so on and so forth. So thanks for watching. God bless you. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share these videos for more.